Hi guys, and today I just came back from the dentist and we're opening these because we I'm not talking so good because cut paper mouth. My tooth is numb. Tooth just came out. Well, anyways, let's open it. Let's see what. I don't know how it works. So if guys,
I opened it mine. Ooh.
If you guys have this, give this a thumbs up and tell us how to use it. I have no idea how to use this thing. Thank you, like.
Oh my! This is so cool.
I know. Alright, so let me see how yours works. This is my little sister's. Oh, wrong way.
It has glitter.
And mine is over here. And,
Mine has glitter on it.
yeah.
Mine is so cute than yours.
Oh.
I mean, you and mine is so cute. Oh, where's the keychain? Oh, Dave, you have to turn it around and.
How does this thing work? You like just take this off? How? Oh. Sorry, able to open this thing. Oh, okay. That means I'm gonna open this baby up.
I can't open.
Okay, the lip gloss.
Dave, I can't get this out.
Okay, it's lip gloss. I got.
I got this off.
Let me see what kind of lip gloss you got.
This is so cool.
Look
Guys.
at this. We'll see what's inside.
What's inside there?
Ooh, I got it. Actually, this one's mine. I was just joking. Yours is actually this one is pink. Ah!
Daisy, why did you break it?
I did.
Mine is so good. What's yours?
Yeah, this one. My little sisters.
Wait, can I smell it?
Sure, smell it. Just open it. Oh, you notice this is lip gloss.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See?
Is that what it says?
Mm-hmm. Lip gloss over here. It says lip gloss around here.
Lemon flavored lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss.
Yeah, I got lemon.
And I got
Daisy, look.
strawberry.
I'm gonna read you the instruction, no?
Okay.
No spitting or drinking through a straw or sippy cup. This can start the bleeding again. Remember, no using straw, no spitting, and no sippy cup. Then a clean mouth heals faster. Gentle brushing around the extraction site can be started immediately, along with warm salt water rinse. You want me to give you the salt water na?
No.
Not right now. To aid with any discomfort. For you to feel better, you need to do salt water rinsing.
Okay.
Okay? And then limit physical activity. Don't do too much work. Don't
Okay.
You need to still resting, okay?
Okay.
Swelling after an extraction is not uncommon and need
Smells good,
not
guys.
cause alarm. Apply an ice pack for 15 minutes on and 15 minutes off as needed. Your child's cheek, lip, and tongue will be numb for approximately 1 to 2 hours. Please be very careful that your child does not bite her cheek or pick at this area. Okay?
Okay.
Guys, this is what you
Hey, guys.
smell.
I'm just gonna look up my lip. It's kind of numb. Yeah.
Lip gloss is so.
Oh, look at Iris's. This one's
Yeah.
Iris's.
Guys, smell it.
Iris's is strawberry.
Smell good.
It's pink. I thought Iris's is pink. See?
Ooh, let me see. Oh, yeah, strawberry flavor.
Mine is. Oh, I took mine off. It's over here. Mine is.
Mommy, smell it.
Strawberry.
Smells good.
Okay, put the trash in the trash. Huh?
Guys, this smells good.
So I want us.
Don't eat anything hard, huh?
Okay, Mom. Oh, it's all. What are we doing?
Why are you mad?
It's because I'm tired. That's why. Oh. When am I ever gonna, 2 hours? After 2 hours, we're gonna do another video. It really hurts. Well, anyways, I got this keychain. It's so cute. Anyways, I don't care. Because this is the only thing that's better in my
Guys,
whole life.
I wanted to
Wait, I'm gonna
put
smell
this
it.
in my lips.
Then put it on your lips. I'm not able to put this on my lips.
Why?
My lips is numb. Remember? My lips is numb, Iris. Did you forget about that?
Yes.
Oh my.
This smells good, guys.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end it. So, bye, guys. I hope you like this channel. Bye.